Hello, everyone. In this session, I will walk you through how to fill the Workplan Excel template step by step. This template helps define work schedules and assign shifts to specific weekdays for your organization. In this training, we will cover the Workplan sheet and the Workplan shift sheet. We will understand each field with examples. By the end, you should feel confident in entering your own data. Now we will start with the instruction sheet. This sheet is for reference only and not for data entry. It explains what each sheet does. This sheet contains information on the tabs in the template. The tabs are the work plan, the work plan shift, and the list reference. It also gives the definition of each shift. The shift master is a prerequisite for this template, and this sheet provides instructions for it. You can refer to the data template overview to understand the instruction sheet better. Now we are on the work plan sheet. This is where you will define your work structures, such as a 5-day or 6-day plan. We will go through each column with example data. For the name of the organization, you will enter your organization's name. In this example, we will use Sonic Venture. Next is the name of the work plan. Here you will give the work plan a meaningful name. For example, we have entered 5 days or 6 days, which indicates that we are planning for 5 or 6 working days. For the work schedule column, you will choose either monthly or weekly from the drop-down. In our example, we will choose the monthly work plan, meaning this structure will be followed every month. If we choose weekly, it means we are only following this work plan for 1 week. The working days column defines how many days in a week are working days for this plan. You can choose from a list of values including 5.5 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, and 6.5 days based on your needs. For the 5-day weekly plan, we will select 5 days, and for the 6-day plan, we will select 6 days. Essentially, you are building the template for a weekly work plan here. In the next sheet, you will assign the shift timing for each day within this plan. Once you have defined the plan, go to the work plan shift sheet. This is where you will tell the system what shift applies to which day. We will walk through this with the example shown in the file. Here we have the name of the organization. Use your company name here to match the previous sheet, as I picked Sonic Venture. For the work plan, select the exact work plan name you defined earlier. It must match perfectly. In the work plan sheet, we created the 5-day or 6-day plans, so here I am picking the 5-day plan. For the day, select the day of the week, from Monday through Sunday, from the drop-down. Here, I started my work plan from Monday. In the next column, we must define the shift for that particular day. The drop-down will show all the shifts you have created in the Define Shift screen. Here, you must pick only the shifts for the working days. Next, you must pick the remaining days of the week. For the entire weekly work plan, from Monday to Sunday, I have picked Monday to Friday as working days with the morning shift. For Saturday and Sunday, I picked weekly off. The 5-day work plan is now complete. Now, in the work plan sheet, we also created a 6-day plan. For the 6-day plan, we have to start again with the start day of the week. So here again, I will pick Monday as the start day of the week. For the 6-day plan, I picked the morning shift, from Monday to Saturday. That means from Monday to Saturday, I have working shifts, and on Sunday, I am on weekly off. Similarly, you must repeat this row by row to assign shifts to every applicable day under each plan. Let's say you define a 5-day plan in the work plan sheet. Then, in the work plan shift sheet, you will assign Monday to Friday as a work day and Saturday and Sunday as a weekly off. The shifts assigned to each weekday will automatically repeat every week of the month for all employees assigned to this plan. Once an employee is linked to this work plan, the system will apply these same shift patterns week after week, unless you change the setup later. That is the benefit of a monthly work schedule. It gives you a consistent, repeatable structure for regular working patterns. Before we finish, there are some key reminders. Always use the drop-downs when they are available. The spellings between the work plan and work plan shift must match exactly. Do not modify the list reference or LOV sheets. If you are unsure about any field or format, review the instruction sheet. This concludes our walkthrough of the Workplan Excel template. If you follow the structure, use the dropdowns carefully, and keep the formatting clean, your data will import correctly. Thank you for attending,